Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at 5 of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best tennis racket for beginners. The Head T.S6 tennis racket strung is a popular choice for beginner to intermediate players who want a lightweight, powerful racket with minimal effort required. It's constructed using titanium and graphite composite materials, making it both strong and ultralight. The racket weighs around 8.9 ounces, strung, and features an oversized 115 square in head, which provides a large sweet spot for better forgiveness on off-center hits. Its length of 27.75 inches offers extended reach and added leverage for more power, especially on serves and ground strokes. With a 16 by 19 string pattern, it allows for good spin potential and control. The beam width of 28.5 mm and stiffness rating provide extra power, while the balanced design gives stability and comfort during play. The Head T.S6 comes pre-strung, so it's ready to use right out of the box, and its lightweight frame is ideal for players who may be recovering from injury or seeking to reduce arm strain. It's especially suited for those looking for easy handling, added reach, and high power without sacrificing too much control. Overall, the Head T.S6 is a well-balanced, durable racket that continues to be a bestseller thanks to its comfort, performance, and excellent value for money. It's an original product, often favored by casual and club players who want a reliable and user-friendly racket. Number 2. Best tennis racket for intermediate players. The Yonex E-Zone 100 7th Gen tennis racket is a premium, player-friendly racket designed for intermediate to advanced players seeking a blend of power, comfort, and spin. Released as part of Yonex's 2022 lineup, the 7th generation E-Zone maintains the brand's signature isometric head shape, which enlarges the sweet spot for improved forgiveness and consistency, especially on off-center hits. With a 100 square in head size and a 300G, 10.6 ounces, unstrung weight, the racket offers a good balance of maneuverability and stability. Its 16 by 19 string pattern provides excellent spin potential, making it well-suited for baseline players who like to hit with topspin. The 27-inch length adds reach and leverage for serving and returning shots with depth and control. A key feature of this generation is the updated 2G NAM speed graphite, which improves frame flexibility and snapback for better feel and explosive power. Additionally, the vibration dampening mesh (VDM) in the handle enhances comfort by reducing unwanted vibrations, ideal for players concerned about arm strain. The racket's responsive yet plush feel makes it popular among aggressive all-court players. It delivers power without sacrificing control, and the solid build ensures durability. Overall, the Yonex E-Zone 100 7th Gen is an excellent choice for competitive players looking for a versatile racket that blends power, spin, and comfort. Note: always purchase from authorized dealers to ensure authenticity. Look for original Yonex packaging, serial number engraving on the throat, and official branding for genuine products. Number 3. Best tennis racket for advanced players. The Wilson Blade 98 16 by 19 V9 unstrung performance tennis racket is designed for competitive players seeking precision, control, and feel. This 9th generation blade features Wilson's updated stable feel technology, which improves stability and enhances the overall connected-to-the-ball sensation, especially useful for aggressive baseliners and those who like to control the point with spin and placement. With a 16 by 19 string pattern, the racket promotes better spin potential and a livelier response compared to the denser 18 by 20 version. Its 98 square in head size ensures a balance of control and power, appealing to intermediate and advanced players. The racket remains unstrung, offering users the flexibility to customize the string setup to their style. The Blade V9 is constructed with direct connect technology, extending the carbon fiber handle to the end cap for enhanced torsional stability and improved feel. It weighs approximately 305 g unstrung, maintaining excellent maneuverability and swing speed. The Racquet's top grip taper offers better grip placement for two-handed backhands. Available in grip sizes 1 to 4, this is a genuine Wilson product, ensuring authenticity and premium quality. The sleek matte green design is both modern and minimal, making it visually appealing on the court. Overall, the Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 is ideal for players who prioritize responsiveness, control, and a modern feel. It blends precision and spin capability for players looking to dominate with consistency and confidence. Always verify authenticity by purchasing from official or trusted retailers. Number 4. Best tennis racket for power. The Solinco Blackout 300 is a high-performance tennis racket designed for intermediate to advanced players seeking power, stability, and spin. Weighing 300 grams, unstrung, it offers an ideal blend of maneuverability and solid feel. Its 100 square in. Head size, 16x19 string pattern, and balance point of 7 points HL give it a modern player's racket profile, great for aggressive baseline play and spin-heavy strokes. The racket features Power Flex Zone technology, which improves frame flex and enhances energy return at contact, providing easier access to power without sacrificing control. The 40T carbon fiber in the shaft adds strength and stability, reducing unwanted vibration and boosting feel, especially on off-center hits. Players will appreciate its fast swing speed, which makes it ideal for topspin-heavy ground strokes, quick volleys, and fast-paced rallies. On serve, the Blackout 300 offers excellent pop and precision. At the net, it's stable and responsive, offering confidence in volleys and touch shots. Compared to similar models like the Babolat Pure Drive or Wilson Ultra 100, the Solinco Blackout 300 delivers a slightly firmer and more connected feel. It's also a favorite among stringers and competitive players for its predictable response across a wide range of string setups. Overall, the Solinco Blackout 300 is a versatile racket with a clean design, built for players who want modern power and spin with classic control and feel. It's suitable for competitive players looking to dominate from the baseline with precision and aggression. Number 5. Best tennis racket for control. The Wilson Pro Staff 97 V14 is a premium performance tennis racket, ideal for advanced players seeking precision, control, and classic feel. This unstrung version is part of Wilson's iconic Pro Staff line, trusted by legends like Roger Federer. The V14, version 14, features updated technology and aesthetics while maintaining the traditional Pro Staff DNA. It has a 97 square in. Head size that provides excellent control and feedback on every shot, suited for players with full, fast swings. The weight, unstrung, is approximately 315 g, 11.1 ounces, giving it a solid and stable feel for hitting powerful, well-placed shots. The 16x19 string pattern enhances spin potential and adds a touch of forgiveness to its precision-focused design. A major innovation is the braid 45 construction, where double-braided fibers are angled at 45 degrees to increase ball pocketing and stability. The paradigm bending technology adjusts flex between the shaft and hoop for better control and a more connected feel. Visually, the V14 showcases an elegant design with rich, earthy tones, moving away from the all-black look of past generations. It strikes a balance between modern style and Pro Staff heritage. The Wilson Pro Staff 97 V14 is best for intermediate to advanced players who value shot accuracy, stability, and a connected feel with the ball. It's not built for beginners due to its weight and smaller head size but offers tour-level performance for experienced competitors. Always buy from authorized dealers to ensure the product is 100% original and free from counterfeit concerns.